luxury vinyl planking. You walk into this 2-bedroom unit, and to the left is the master bedroom. There is a small deck off the master bedroom. Vinyl planking throughout. Garden tub, shower. It's a foggy day. That's why you couldn't see the ocean. The second bedroom has 2 beds. Shower. Owner's closet here on the left. And then you have your laundry, air handler, the kitchen cabinets have been painted with new hardware. The appliances have been changed out. Granite countertop. Nice beachy colors. It's an in unit. You see the window there on the side. It comes fully furnished. It's just a foggy day, or we could see straight to the ocean, so I'll replace this video on a better day, a better weather day. The pool's being worked on. It is December 2021. That's why it's covered. You see the lazy river. You see all the fog. Nice big deck. Vinyl planking throughout the whole entire unit. If you'd like more information, give me a call at 843-655-3517. Thanks so much.